Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onybest and you're welcome to Onybest Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video, we are still on Signale di Pericolo, so we'll be dealing on Attraversamento Pedonale and Attraversamento Ciclabili. These two of them under Signale di Pericolo, guys, do not forget. Okay, we are still in chapter 2. So before we get started, if you're just seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome to the family. And I would advise you and plead that you subscribe to my channel immediately. And of course, turn your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay? And I swear, if you love me, if you love what I'm doing, the only way you support me is by sharing my video for others to see. Okay? Let us try to share for others to see, for family, friends. Okay? Everyone should be a partaker of this blessing. It is a blessing, guys. It is a blessing. That's why the fact they removed the English version from the, initially it was there, they removed it. They still retain the French, they can actually do this exam with French and all that. But guys, we are here for you. I am here for you to help you translate this thing so you understand better. You do not need to write it in English. You don't need to write it any other. You are going to write it in Italiano and you're going to get it right. That's the more reason why you shouldn't miss any of my videos. Follow my videos, and of course, do more quiz on your own. Do more quiz and you're going to get it right. Okay, having said that, let us get started. So this is Attraversamento Pedonale, Signale di Pericolo. Remember I told you Signale di Pericolo, we always see it 150 meters ahead of that danger. It says, è un segnale di pericolo che preannuncia di norma 150 metri un attraversamento pedonale, sia dentro che fuori I centri abitati. Now, it tells you of a zebra crossing ahead of you, 150 meters, not immediately, not that particular spot. But when you see this sign, it's telling you 150 ahead, you're going to come across zebra crossing, okay? Both inside of the city and outside the city. So it said in presenza dei segnali, in the presence of this sign. Ok, what happens? Bisogna rallentare per essere pronti ad arrestarsi se ci sono pedoni che attraversano la carreggiata. Now you need to slow down and be ready to stop if there are persons crossing the carriageway through attraversamento pedonale. Now, it doesn't tell you that aside of attraversamento pedonale, when you see persons trying to cross outside of that zebra crossing, that you shouldn't stop. No, what it's trying to tell you now is attraversamento pedonale. Let's focus on that. Il conducente deve dare la precedenza ai pedoni che attraversano sulla striscia. You, as a driver and conducente, you must give right of way to persons that are crossing the zebra crossing. To people on foot crossing the zebra crossing, you must give them right of way. Non è consentito sorpassare I veicoli che rallentano o si fermano per let me go down a bit. Per far attraversare I pedoni si deve fare attenzione a non tamponare. What is it saying? It says that you as a driver, you are not allowed to overtake a vehicle that has slowed down to stop for those that want to cross the zebra crossing. You as a vehicle, maybe you're back of a vehicle, and the vehicle in front of you is trying to slow down and stop, giving way to people on foot to pass through zebra crossing, and you want to do overtaking, you're not allowed, guys. And you must pay attention not to bump into that vehicle. Ok. Non si deve effettuare sosta e fermata sopra le strisce pedonali. You cannot park, you cannot stop on top of zebra crossing. Qualora non si dia la precedenza ai pedoni che attraversano sulla striscia, si incorre nella sottrazione dei punti della patente. Now, anytime you do not stop, you do not give right of way to people on foot that are crossing the zebra crossing, they are going to subtract points from your patente. You know, when you get the patente newly, it comes with 20 points, patente B. When you get it, it comes with what? 20 punto. Now, when you do not allow these people to cross, you are going to suffer a reduction, a subtraction of points from your driving license. And we do not want that. Okay. Non è vero che è posto in corrispondenza di un attraversamento pedonale, ma come detto 150 metri prima. Now, it is not true that you find it immediate point where you see the zebra crossing. You do not find this sign immediate point when you see the zebra crossing. Remember, this is Segnale di Pericolo. It's just telling you 150 meters ahead of you, you are going to see a zebra crossing. Be careful. Okay? Okay. Now we are seeing attraversamento ciclabile, this one. Try to know the difference. We have attraversamento pedonale, the one we just treated. We also have viale pedonale. These are two different things. I'll try to come up with a video where I compare two signals that looks alike. Okay, the more reason why if you have not subscribed, you should subscribe. And of course, if you have not turned your notification on, you should do that. Okay, now that okay, the call was coming in my phone, so sorry about that. So this is attraversamento ciclabile. Okay, so let us see what it's trying to tell us. È un segnale di pericolo che preannuncia di norma 150 metri di un attraversamento ciclabile. So this one is telling you 150 ahead of an attraversamento ciclabile, sia dentro che fuori i centri abitati, both inside and outside of a city. It is telling you of a danger sign. This is attraversamento ciclabile. Listen, I told you I'll bring a video. We have attraversamento ciclabile and we also have piste ciclabile. These are two different things. This one is found inside of the carriageway, while the other one is found outside. But we are dealing with this one, attraversamento ciclabile. You see, this sign, 150, is not telling you that this point you are seeing me, there is crossing for cyclists. No, rather it's telling you 150 meters ahead of you, you are going to find that crossing. Quindi un attraversamento per ciclisti, contraddistinto della apposite segni sulla carreggiata. In presenza dei segnali, in the presence of these signs, bisogna moderare la velocità in modo da non costituire pericolo per la sicurezza dei ciclisti ed essere pronti ad arrestarsi se necessario per dare la precedenza ai ciclisti che attraversano. It says you need to moderate your speed, not to create danger for these people. Okay, you have to secure the cyclist. Do not create danger. You need to slow down and be ready to stop if necessary. Give them right of way to cross. Ciclisti, cyclists, people that are riding bicycles. Non è consentito sorpassare i veicoli che si sono arrestati per far attraversare la carreggiata ai ciclisti. You are not allowed to overtake vehicles that have stopped to allow these people to cross. Just like the attraversamento pedonale, it also applies to attraversamento ciclisti. You are not allowed to overtake such vehicles that are stopped for this set of people to pass. Okay. Then the last one says, non si deve effettuare sosta o fermata in corrispondenza di attraversamento. You must not stop, you must not park on this attraversamento ciclisti. Non è vero che è posto in corrispondenza di un attraversamento ciclabile, ma come detto 150 metri prima. Now it is not true that you find it at the immediate spot where you see that crossing for cyclists, but you find it 150 meters ahead because it is Segnale di Pericolo, always telling you 150 meters ahead of that danger. Okay, guys, so that's basically the two differences between this. I'll come up with that video like I promised you, bring two pictures that look alike and tell you the difference. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I really, really appreciate. See you in my next video. Do not forget, okay? I am always here to give you back-to-back videos. We must make it this year. We are going to get our Patente, okay? Now, I'm not promising you like I'm telling you and all of a sudden you get it. Hard work pays, okay? You have to work hard. Do quiz, do quiz, do quiz. Tax yourself. Do quiz daily, okay? And at the end of it all, it will end in praise. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.